Hey kids, welcome to Lesson 8, Creating Functions with Parameters, Part 3. Today we're going to be calling functions with multiple parameters. Let's see what the instructions say. You're about to see a new definition for draw square that has two parameters, one that is size and border width. Notice how multiple parameters are separated by commas. Okay, two commas. I see it right there. Okay. Do this. Add to the code to make two calls to the new parameter version of draw square to make an image similar to this one. Let's take a look at this image here. All right, I got two squares. One seems to be skinny. The other seems to be kind of fat here. All right. See if there's any other instructions. Nope, doesn't look like that. All right, let's go take a look at our code. Okay, we have a pen up. That's helping here with our function down here. We have a move to, two separate ones, must be two spots. If I hit run, I bet you they go, yep, just two spots right there. All right. So it looks like we have to add some code here with two different variables. So let's go ahead and put one up here, a my function. And let's put another one here. And I'm just going to comment just so I know what's going on here. This is going to be square1. I'm just going to come down here, add another comment. This is going to be square2. Okay. So I'm going to add another parameter. So I have one here. I'm going to add hit the little arrow here to add another one on both of them. So the first one is size and border width. So it looks like here, let's take a look at my function. I have my parameters there. My parameters are calling down here, border width, pen width. Size is calling to move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward. All right, so it looks like everything's pretty much set up. I just really need to add some numbers into here. Let's see if we have anything up here. I don't remember seeing any numbers, no. All right, we're gonna have to brute force this one and see what we get. So the first one is size. First square here is definitely bigger. I'm going to go with 20. Second square here looks much shorter. I'm going to go with 10. Okay. Second one is border width. That's the pen width. All right. The first one's skinny. Let's try 2. Second one's pretty fat. I'll double it. Let's try 4 and see what happens here. All right, so the first one's going to have a 10 by 10 by 10 square. I'm sorry, the second one's going to be a 10 by 10 by 10 square. First one's going to be a 20 by 20 by 20 by 20 square. A width of 2 and a width of 4. Let's see what happens. Let's hit reset and run. Ooh. Error, line 4, oops. We can't figure out what to do. Let's see what went wrong. Oh. My function is actually draw square here. I forgot to rename my function to call. So if I go over here, paste in draw square now draw square is going to call to my function down here, draw square. So before I didn't have anything with that same name, so it wasn't calling to anything. I hope this fixed my problem. Let's see. All right, so I'm getting a little closer. Let's try something that looks significantly smaller. Let's try something a lot bigger. Not 20, let's try 50. And that looks more like a 4. And my second square, let's go 25. Let's double that to 8. All right, let's hit run, reset. All right, getting closer. I think this is probably going to be more like 40. And this is probably going to be more like 75. Let's hit reset, run. Oh, that's pretty good. This one could probably go up to a 6. We can go up to a 10 here. That's pretty good. I could probably further tweak this. This probably really looks like a 12 to me. And that's really looks a little darker to an 8. Oh yeah, that looks much better. Let's take a look at the bottom part here. Yeah, these look very similar, very similar. All right, looking here, let's see what code.org thinks of our work. Hey, good job, kids. I'll see you in the next video.